The latest news, updates, and more from the world of health and medicine. This is Medical Minutes, brought to you by Community Health Network.
The Indiana Health Fair takes place as part of the Indiana Black Expo, and here we have Dr. Lindsay Weaver, who is the Indiana State Health Commissioner. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Of course. We were just talking about this during the break of how important it is, especially for communities of color, for people to just come out to this event because it's a comfortable place where you can talk about health issues.
That's exactly right. So it's way less intimidating than going to a doctor's office. We have a lot of fun things there. There's music, there's people dancing. You can learn about your health and at the same time start those initial checkups.
So let's talk about the goal of this event. Of course, we talked about just one piece of that. It's getting people comfortable to come on out, but you're also going to get resources to folks who really need them.
That's exactly right. So it's 4 days. It's Thursday through Sunday, and people can come out. It's for all ages. It's for little kids all the way up to the oldest people. You can come get your blood pressure checked, get really important and necessary blood tests done, check to see if you have diabetes, check your cholesterol, but also learn about how you can improve your health, physical exercise, nutrition, oral screening, hearing screening. There's a lot going on.
So Dr. Weaver, let's talk about what people will be able to take away from this. Not only are you going to be able to get an update to your health, but what about people who do need a little extra step? Are you all really just walking them through the process of getting set up with a regular healthcare provider?
So everybody is a different place, right, and what their needs are. Some people, unfortunately, aren't doing those really important first steps to make sure that they're getting checked out, that they know their numbers. Do they have high blood pressure? So if they are identified as having a need at the fair, then of course we're going to help to get them connected. We also have people there to help navigate the insurance process. You can get your birth certificate if you need to get your birth certificate. There's really a lot of different volunteers and sponsors that are there to meet people wherever they're at. But I do want to emphasize it is fun.
That is amazing. Yeah. Okay, let's highlight the fact that this is fun and a huge portion of it is free.
Yeah, exactly right. So it is free for people to come. There's actually $4,000 worth of free screenings there. They're doing high school physicals for those kiddos who are getting ready to go back to school and they need their physical. And there's the big education piece. On Friday, we have ladies' night. So people can come and learn about specifically women's healthcare needs. But at the same time, during ladies' night, they're doing Zumba dancing, right? So we have a mix of fun and at the same time checking up on your health and educating you about your health.
That is amazing. And, you know, speaking from, you know, the person of color perspective here, a lot of people are still going to be hesitant to go out there and get the necessary, I would say, checkups for their health. So what would you say for people who are reluctant to go to the event still after all of this?
I would say, you know, if you are somebody who knows, has a family member, a friend, a neighbor who you know is hesitant, ask them to come with you. It is always better to have someone with you, and you're going to meet a lot of smiling faces. And again, we'll meet you where you're at. Whatever you're ready to do, we'll take that first initial step with you so you can get better connected to your health. It is way easier to prevent disease than it is to treat it. And so we really want to focus on that prevention piece.
That is absolutely amazing. You heard it, free and fun. So no excuses if you want to head out there. Thursday to Sunday, Indiana Convention Center, the world's most expansive health screening event. And of course, it is for communities of color. So come on out. Again, we want to thank Dr. Lindsay Weaver for stopping by. Great information and always great to chat with you.
Yeah.
This is Medical Minutes, brought to you by Community Health Network.
Learn more and get more with Wish TV.
Online at wishtv.com, and when you follow Wish TV on Facebook, be sure to check out more great podcasts from the All Indiana Podcast Network now.
Now at allindianapodcastnetwork.com.